A cinematic macro video showing a smartphone camera module being carefully disassembled. A clean repair workspace with precise tools. The lens layers, including the outer glass and internal optical elements, are gently removed one by one, revealing the intricate image sensor underneath. Soft studio lighting, highly detailed, 4K, 2, exploded view animation, a 3D animation of a modern smartphone. Camera lens exploding outwards to show all its internal components. Each piece of the glass element, the aperture, the autofocus mechanism, and the main camera sensor are suspended in the air, cleanly separated. Bright Tech Lab background, clean and professional. 3. First-person POV repair. A first-person POV video of a technician wearing gloves using a small suction cup and tweezers to open a mobile camera lens. The camera focuses deeply on the small lens elements being lifted up, showing reflections on the glass. Professional electronic repair shop setting.